Start by taking the vehicle to the desired speed. Note that this mode can only be activated above 30 km an hour. Press the top part of the switch to activate Adaptive Cruise Control. Next, press the top part of the second switch to activate and select the desired ACC mode on the display. You can then choose from the modes ACC 1, 2, or 3. These 3 levels correspond to safety intervals calculated in seconds corresponding to longer or shorter distances from the vehicle in front of you. ACC 3 mode is both the most economical and also the mode enabling a greater safety distance from the vehicle in front of you. To change the distance setting, press the top part of the switch to increase it or the bottom part to reduce it. Once ACC mode has been activated and configured, this ACC icon and the speed setting are displayed. Navigate through the different screens of your display unit to access more information. The speed of the vehicle in front of you, the distance to the vehicle in front of you, the Adaptive Cruise Control mode selected, ACC 1, 2 or 3. To adjust your speed setting, press the plus and minus buttons located on your steering wheel. Press briefly to vary the speed by 1 km an hour at a time and press for longer for 5 km an hour increments. It is possible to exceed the speed setting momentarily at any time by depressing the accelerator. While the speed is exceeded, the speed setting flashes on the speed information display. As soon as you release the accelerator pedal, the vehicle progressively returns to its speed setting. When you're running downhill, the speed of your vehicle can exceed the speed setting momentarily. The cruise control then automatically operates the various retarders in order to keep the speed to a maximum of 2 km an hour above the speed setting. Retarder use is optimal when this sector is blue. If the speed setting cannot be maintained using just the retarders, the speed flashes on the display and you have to use the brakes. To optimize deceleration, you can also shift down. When the vehicle in front of you is slower than yours, the ACC function will slow down your vehicle automatically in order to maintain the distance setting stored in memory. When the distance from a vehicle in front of you is too short and requires you to use your brakes, an audible warning will activate along with this icon, and this message will be displayed on screen. You can set the Adaptive Cruise Control to standby mode by pressing 0 on the steering wheel. The mode automatically goes to standby if vehicle speed is below 15 km an hour, by operating the brake pedal or the retarder control, when the wheel anti-lock, wheel slip or trajectory control functions are activated. Once in standby mode, this indicator and the off information appear and the stored speed setting is still displayed. To resume the speed setting after going into standby, press the RES control located on the steering wheel. The off information disappears from the display and the speed setting is resumed automatically. To deactivate Adaptive Cruise Control mode, press the lower part of the switch. The icon and the stored speed setting disappear from the display. Safe driving! Start line, the keys to a winning start.